how to use Barclays mobile app. Now if you're learning how you can use the Barclays mobile app, first of all, I'm assuming you've already downloaded the Barclays application. The second step is you need to activate the card. So basically, to activate the app, you need to set a 5-digit pin first of all to access the apps and to register it, and you can register using an activation code. So you can tap on the yes button, you can enter your 8-digit activation code which your bank gives you, and if you don't have that, you can also select no continue without an account, and you can get an activation code by calling the phone number at a cash machine or at a Barclays branch. The next step is for you to log into your account. Now after you've set up your account and logged in, what you can do from mobile banking actually has an endless amount of features. So the first thing is, of course, you can make payments, and you can tap pay and transfer, then pay a recent or a new pay, select the account you want to use, then tap on the to add a new pay. You can also select the new pay. You can see your spending, your transaction history, you can control your card options, and you can also send a message to Barclays and contact the customer care once you basically get the hang of it. This way you'll be able to use the Barclays mobile app. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.